Welcome back, guys, to another chapter of the weekly outlook markets. And it's been a little while since I have posted a weekly chart on YouTube, so I'm finally back. But let's go straight into the charts. Okay, so we got the DXY. Let's go to the daily first. Okay, so what I can see from the daily is a order block, which more likely I like it to get pretty much wicked out. So just normal. Oh, there it is. So normally like taken out and then obviously. Whenever I see it at New York Open, I just put this there, and then also you got like hold on, yeah, the Asian lows. So I got the Asian lows and highs. And also I do put the New York mid, and also was it 8:30? Yeah, these two I use a lot, and it's 9 a.m. They were perfect with this sort of strategy. But the Asian lows and highs, these getting taken out. But obviously this is a session that I am doing on Sunday. So at the moment we haven't got the Asian highs yet, so or lows. So this is the old one from I think Friday. Maybe the markets are closed. And then mark these out, and then pretty much whenever you get an entry, let them, take them out, or go in. But it has to get taken out first, and then go there. But it's more likely going to go, or whatever it is, the zones that we have marked up. But there's so many zones here at this stage. It can be even this is order block getting taken out. But more likely, if it goes there, it can go to the high as well. Okay, at this stage, it's not looking the greatest. It's just having a chart like this with consolidation going on is not the best chart. But then you have like a little zone here, order block. Let's draw this here. Okay, where is it? OB. Yeah. There's a few zones here that we can have a look, but more likely this zone is, I like it to be taken out. At the bottom, there it is. And there is an OB, but I don't know. We'll see when the time comes. But at this stage, this H1 does look quite nice. It is a perfect zone. yeah, so at the moment it's a bit rusty, so okay, fine. Yeah, 9 AM New York Open, we saw a gap and pretty much plummeted down. But yeah, so we can see a nice structure here. Let's have a look at the H1. Not clean. If you ask me, it's not a clean chart. I have to see this develop a bit more. More likely the daily can get taken out, but we've got a high here, so it can come here, or it can come to the daily as well. So the daily, yeah, so here. Pretty much, I just go for the last low, really. You know, some people say you could go right down here, there, but I don't know. If that is your sort of trading style, you can, but I just go to the last low. More likely, I'm just out, in and out. That's sort of the style I like trading, but it's all up to you what sort of style you do. Yeah, look, see, we got one. Yeah, there we go. Pretty much like that. But then you can put a fib on it. So mostly I put fibs and I check the zones, which are really quite nice. But the 78.6 is one of my favorite zones now, and I do look at 61.8, but this one is a golden zone. Any entries from there, it's great. You know, we could just take an entry from there. But yeah, so obviously you can, like I've been using a lot of head and shoulders recently, but a head and shoulders pattern is more likely like ICT as well. So what you can do is just get the last low wherever it is from here, right shoulder, OB, taken out, 61.8. I've done loads of trades. So free pin bar here is a great one. Yeah, that's what I say. Free pin candlestick pattern. Oops. You can use it like that. So that's one of the strategies I use, but mostly ICT. So if that confuses you, delete this and then just use what you want to use, or you could just have it as this. So this is the ICT style. Okay, well, so we can equal highs anyway. Break of structure. Yeah, there we go. Always do this markup, and then yeah, I think this week I'm just gonna go with all my original markups, what I normally do. I've done a bit of this one, but yeah, it's great. I was using the bearish flags, but I'm it on. I don't know. I might have a loss, I might not, so it depends really. But I don't normally hold trades, but this one I did. So I just left it on Friday, I forgot. And then the markup, USD, JPY, daily. Okay, OB is being taken out, but more likely can get taken out. So pretty much this structure here, 61.8. Obviously with the ICT is 50. 60, I've done it. 61.8 is good as well. You can take trades from there. So I don't know, from here. But then, yeah, sometimes I let it wait to 68 as well if it's moving down. But yeah, it's got a long push up as well. Got a lot of movement. Yeah, 3 under 61. All right. These two pairs I don't trade, but it's just more likely I just mark it up. I do sometimes if I get like an entry, but it's more. Yeah, just not gonna bother with it. It's just rust. New Zealand pairs are kind of like the worst pairs, I reckon. They do go nicely in zones, but they have a lot of liquidity grabs. Yeah, this is one of the trades I did do. Yeah, I just caught it from there. Went down 91 pips. And I don't trade this pair. If I decided mark up, it's not something I trade. Yeah, so Pound, I don't really like the pound pairs, I'll be honest with you. It's got a lot of liquidity grabs on there, but yeah, some people like GU and it's there sort of thing. But these three I don't trade. I just have it marked up, and that's what it is. But mostly, you know, all the rest I do. But yeah, so these are the weekly charts for this week, and I hope you like it. And thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned in the next series. I've got a video coming up, and yeah, it'll be interesting. Thank you.